What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to be working on the Suburban. We have 80 feet of Avery Dennison vinyl here. We have some boost tow mirrors, some Alpharex headlights, some punch speakers, and we're going to be fixing a couple of the door locks. So let's go get started. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is get this door panel off. We have a new door speaker, and the door lock on this side has actually not been locking this door, so we're going to go ahead and get that replaced as well. We're also going to be pulling the mirror off because we have a replacement tow mirror going on, and it will be easier to wrap this door without this mirror on. Alright guys, we got the old one out, we got the new one in, we just need to tighten these down. We did test it, and the problem was this one wouldn't lock all the way. You could still open the door when the alarm was set, so you could technically still get in here. So tested all that, it's working perfect. So think we're gonna get on to wrapping this door next. Alright guys, we got some vinyl cut out and we got it magneted to the door. The door is all clean. Now, this is my third vehicle that I've wrapped. We actually had a 2017 SS Camaro, as well as a 2012 Ford Raptor that I have wrapped in the past. I am by no means a professional, and as you guys know, this is an ex-Border Patrol Suburban, so it does have its dents and dings and flaws. We are not going for perfect. We are just trying to cover up some of the sun fading from the Border Patrol decals. Alright guys, on to the rear quarter panel. Alright guys, the next thing we are going to do is get this front bumper cover pulled off. We're going to pull these headlights out so we can go ahead and get these fenders wrapped. We are going to be throwing some new headlights in because these ones are pretty worn. Alright, now that we have the bumper and the headlights out, it's going to give us easier access to wrap around this contour right here and around this fender. So let's go ahead and get this front fender on. Alright guys, we got the Suburban flipped around. I actually got this back panel already put on. We still need to do the back hatch and the rear bumper. I have this back passenger side door already cut out and I'm about to start on that. Still have the front end taken apart. Still need to wrap the hood. We have our new Alpharex headlights in. We'll show you guys those in a bit. Still need to wrap the front bumper, but let's get this door wrapped. Alright guys, we got this thing about 95% wrapped. I need to go through and do some inlays. I'm gonna wrap the front of the roof right here just because you can see it a little bit. I'm not gonna do the whole roof because this Avery Dennison vinyl is not cheap. This satin white turned out awesome, but let's go ahead and get the Suburban pulled out and see what it looks like in the sun. Man, guys, I don't know if the camera is doing it justice, but this turned out really good. I know it's not a big transformation because it's going from white to white, but I think the satin white looks amazing. The Alpharex headlights turned out perfect. These boost mirrors are sweet. There's a turn signal here, there's a turn signal here, and then there's a reverse light that I haven't hooked up yet, but we towed the Razor yesterday, and these things help out a ton. We've been really liking these Raceline wheels and these Nitto Ridge grapplers. That's my favorite all-terrain tire right now. For those of you who are curious, as you can see, wrapping does not hide dents and dings. It actually almost accentuates them even more. Maybe that's the satin finish. Like I said earlier in the video, we're not going for perfect. This has been a budget build for us. But that's gonna wrap up this video, guys. Thanks so much for being here and following along. We really appreciate it. If you guys wanna show us your support, make sure you like this video. Drop your comments down below and let me know what you think about how the Suburban's coming along. Subscribe if you haven't already. We'll see you on the next video. Later, guys.